everyone. So this is my first video on so I'm going to explain you how we can install IBM ELM as a trial by using some trial license. So for first installing IBM ELM, first of all, type IBM ELM downloads. Select the first option. Here you can see go to the all downloads section. I need to download 17.02, so go inside this downloads. Click on Engineering Lifecycle Management. Then click on this link. Then go to all download section. So first of all, we need to download Installation Manager. So just click on this page. Open this URL. And right now I'm using Windows. You can, as per your convenience, for whichever environment you want to install it, you can select those things. So right now I'm installing for Windows 64-bit. So just click on I agree and click on downloads. As I have already downloaded, so I'm not going to download it again. So this is the first software which is required for installing IBM ELM in your local machine or in your machine. Now second thing is we need all other application, that is CCM configuration, GCM, then DNG and RQM. For that you need to install this application. Click on this. Now select I agree and then click on download. Once you have downloaded all these things, then create one folder inside IBM ELM folder. So I have kept all the downloads over here and using 7G zip extracted. So it is better to use 7-zip for extracting the IBM ELM softwares. So I have installed it right. Now what I will do it, first we will going to install IBM ELM. So just click on install, click on yes. So now click on next. Click on and accept the terms and licensing agreement. Next. And first of all, we will going to create one folder here inside installs. So here I will create one folder, Installation Manager. Right, so now I will going to select browse to this path. Inside this IBM ELM install Installation Manager, click on OK. Now click on next. Click on install. Now you can click on the Start Installation Manager. So for first step, if we want to install other application like IBM CLM, CCM change and configuration management, DNG, then what we need to do it? Go to this preferences, add repository. So we have download another software also, right? That is JTS CCM, this one. So go inside this and select this one. Click on OK. Click on apply and then click on OK. Once you have performed these operations, these steps, then you can click on install. You will get a list of all the softwares. So I'm going to install each and everything. Global configuration management. This is not required for me right now. Then those next generations. For now, I will going to install on DNG. Then RQM. This workflow management. And main thing is JTS. This is required. And trial license keys. Now click on next. Now click on next. Now accept and then click on next. I will create this folder inside the install. Now we will going to browse to this location. Click on OK. Now click on next. Again we will going to create this folder. So here all the server related configuration will be stored. Then click on OK. 64-bit. Definitely by default English will be selected. Now I'm going to install with Liberty by default ones. So let it be here. So just click on next. This is not required for now. We're just installing a normal setup. Now click on install. It will take some time. So wait for some time. Now it has been now downloaded all the applications. Now click on finish. So just to check it that all the application has been installed, close this one, go to the file, go inside this view install packages, and then close it. Now what we're going to do it, we need to start the server. Go to the location where we have installed JTS, go to the server. Even you can start from the startup, the search server JTS. Yeah, start the Justin server. Right, just click on the right click, run as administrator. Run it. Click on yes. So once server will be started, we need to do some configurations. Let's wait for some time. So once server will start it, then we will do some configuration. Here you can see all the applications have started running. Now open the URL. The server started, you can see right from here. Server got started. First of all, we need to hit on this URL localhost jts/setup. So it will going to redirect to our login page, right? So you first, for the first time log, you need to put admin and admin as a credential. Then click on OK. This login. So there's two steps to install: express setups and custom setup. So express setup, what we're going to do by default with by default database and server, and automatically it will going to download it from the server, like from the internet, right? But we're going to select the second one, custom setup, which will be according to our need, like which database we have to install, which server we need to install with it. So I'm going to install with custom setup. Click on next. Now click on again on next. Here right now it is localhost. You can put anything like as per your company domain name, you can put it there, or you can also install by using some IP address. So if your IP address is public or static, right, which will not going to frequently change, or it will not going to change, then you can put install using by IP address also. So I'm going to install with localhost only. We can test the connection also. Now click on next. And now for database, we are going to select the by default our database. Now click on next. Click on next. Here we need to. So here you can see we are installing QM, CCM and RM applications. So we're going to register these applications. Here we need to wait for some time. Once the application will register, then we're going to click on next. See, here you got the application. Application was successfully registered. Now click on next. Here we're going to install with simple basic registry, like user information. All the information we're not going to take it from the elder or other configurations. We're just taking it from the Liberty basic registry. It will be a file based. Here I'm going to use user as Jyoti, name also Jyoti, password is also same. Okay, password same. Here you can put anything. You can put your email address over here. Now, from here itself, we can activate some licenses. Now, I will do one thing for those next generation. We'll have to assign this license and this assign license. Click on finish. For same for this one, we're going to use quality professional for quality management. For workflow management, we're going to use developer license. Now click on next. For data warehouse, we are going to use the same thing. Adobe, then click on next. Click on next. Click on finalize application. Once finalize application setup has successfully done, then we will redirect it to configure data warehouse page. So now click on next. We're going to use this database as Adobe database. So click on next. Click on complete application setup. Once it will be successful, then your next button will be enable. We will wait for some time. It will take some time. Yes, now click on next. We are going to use same Adobe data warehouse also. Now click on next. Now click on finish. Now we can see installation got successfully installed. We installed it successfully. Finish. So from here you can understand that JTS application we are able to access it. Now we will check different application whether we are able to access it or not. For DNG you need to hit enter rm/admin. This URL is for the admin people, or if normal user will be there, then web. It is taking some time to load. Wait for a second. Now we will check for QM application. Yes, we are able to access. So as we are not having any access to projects, that's why it is like this. So we will try to access through admin page. Yes, we are able to access. Then CCM application. So we have tested all the application. We are able to access it, the one which we have installed. So thank you everyone. Thanks for the watching. Do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.